In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on YouTube Music. By the end, you will know how to clear both your watch history and your search history, including single items you no longer want saved. Start by opening the YouTube Music app. On Android or iPhone, this is the app with the red and white play button inside a circle. When it loads, you should see the Home tab with mixes, suggestions, and maybe a few recent listens. If you do not see music content and playlists on the screen, double-check that you opened YouTube Music and not the regular YouTube app. Now tap your profile picture. You will find this in the top right corner of the screen. If you never set a photo, it might show a colored circle with the first letter of your account. Once you tap it, a small menu slides down from the top with options tied to your account, like Your Channel and Settings. Next, tap Settings. This opens a full-screen list of options you can scroll through. Settings in YouTube Music control how the app behaves on your device, such as playback, downloads, and privacy. A common beginner mistake is to look for history controls on the home screen, but they live here instead. From there, the next tap depends on your device. On Android, tap Privacy and Data. On iPhone or iPad, tap Privacy. Both options take you to a very similar screen focused on what YouTube Music remembers about your activity. Here you will see sections related to your YouTube account and links for managing what is stored. Now tap Manage Watch History to delete your listening and watch history. This sends you to a YouTube history page in your browser or an in-app web view, but it is still linked to YouTube Music. On this page you will see a list of songs, videos, or podcasts you have played before. Removing items here affects what YouTube Music uses for recommendations. Then tap Manage Search History to delete your YouTube Music searches. This opens a similar style page, but now it shows past search terms instead of plays. You might see artist names, song titles, or playlist searches you typed earlier. Clearing these makes the search box stop auto-suggesting those old terms. Follow the instructions to delete the history you want. On the history pages, you can remove single entries, groups of entries, or larger ranges depending on the options shown. Changes you make here update your account in the background, so there is no extra save button. When you go back to YouTube Music, your recommendations and search suggestions adjust based on what you removed. To delete one item only, open YouTube Music again if you closed it. You should land back on the Home or another main tab with your usual mixes and sections visible. Tap your profile picture once more. The same account menu appears from the top, showing options including history this time. Tap History. This shows a simple list of songs, videos, and podcasts you recently played in YouTube Music. You can scroll to find the exact item you want to remove. Find the song, video, or podcast you want to delete from history. Take a moment to confirm the title and the channel or artist name so you do not remove the wrong one. Each entry usually shows the thumbnail on the left, then the title and creator. Tap the three dots next to it. This is the menu icon on the right side of that history entry. When you tap it, a small menu pops up with actions related to that one item. Finally, tap Remove from History. The item disappears from the list right away, showing that it is no longer saved in your YouTube Music history. This also means it will no longer influence your future recommendations. You just learned how to clear your YouTube Music watch and search history, including single plays you want forgotten. So if this helped you clean things up, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick YouTube Music guides.